Introduce highlight features or overview summary of gasxcel, 170 cubic centimeters, 21-inch self-propelled gas lawn mower. There are features include powerful and fuel-efficient 170 cc OHV engine. Equipped with a 170 cc OHV 4-cycle engine, this gas lawn mower delivers smooth, reliable power for consistent cutting performance. Designed for residential yards, the fuel-efficient engine runs up to 1.5 hours on a full tank, helping you finish mowing without constant refueling. Self-propelled drive and ultra-large 65 liters grass bag. This 21-inch walk-behind lawn mower features a self-propelled system that reduces pushing effort on slopes and uneven terrain. The 8-inch front and 10-inch rear high-quality wheels provide better traction and smoother maneuverability, while cut grass is efficiently collected into the large 65 liters or 17.5-gallon rear grass bag for fewer stops and improved productivity. Precision 7-position height adjustment. With 7 adjustable cutting heights from 1 to 3 inch, this 21-inch lawn mower allows precise control for different grass types and lawn preferences. Achieve a uniform, professional-looking cut whether you're trimming short turf or maintaining seasonal growth. 4-in-1 cutting system for total lawn control. Unlike standard 3-in-1 mowers, this gas-powered lawn mower offers a full 4-in-1 system: mulching, rear bagging, side discharge, and rear discharge. Adapt easily to different grass conditions and seasons for a cleaner, healthier lawn every time. Durable steel blade and space-saving foldable design. Built with a high-carbon steel blade for cleaner cuts and long-lasting durability, our foldable lawn mower gas is made for dependable performance. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.